Hi everyone, I'm Diana. Welcome to my channel and my first vlog. This is our home in Stockholm Old Town. We spend half the time here, half the time in Madeira. But right now I'm visiting my hometown during the month of August. I hope you enjoy this vlog, and if you do, please like and subscribe.
I like getting money, I got time to get it. Target on me, so my car's a tinted. Dancing with the devil, I don't bargain with it. Bobbing in the dash, and the stick is with it. And I hit the 4-5 on the west side. But I'm from the east side, this how we slide. This how we ride.
All the things I need to do today. And also I would like to go and see if I can get some curtains. I would like some really long white curtains here. So let's see. Also these shelves, I will probably repaint them and decorate them. There's a lot of things I want to change in here. Okay, so I put on this like silver necklace, but I skipped the earrings, but I put on some cute silver rings also on that hand. Then I have this white cropped jean jacket, which I think is super cute. Have this blouse in like a brown color. It has long sleeves, my favorite jeans, and some ballerina flats. Look at all the stuff I'm carrying. So tired.
Always make you smile, always make you smile. Always make you smile, always make you smile. Always make you smile, always make you smile.
Can't believe I made it all the way here by foot. So now I'm gonna put this stuff inside the apartment, and then I might go out again to get some food, and then I'm gonna decorate the apartment and do some homey things. Whew, I'm back home. Oh, I'm so excited about the stuff I got. I will definitely show you in this vlog, I promise. I did this. I got the packages. I haven't bought any food yet, but I bought some kitchen supplies. I have done some laundry, but I still need to hang it, so I'm not gonna strike that. So probably do another day. I took the trash out, not all of it, and curtains, I didn't have time for that. Tonight I'm gonna make my own pizza, and I also need to buy some other stuff from the store. Milk, coffee, chocolate. I'm gonna get some like salami. Oh, I need brie cheese. I'm buying everything that I love. Comfort food, I guess, for spending the night alone. My boyfriend will soon come to Sweden, but for now, or I go back and meet him in Portugal. I'm just gonna go and get the food, come back here, and then I'm gonna arrange these shelves behind me, and then I'm gonna bake my pizza and have a really cozy evening. My daughter will probably spend the night by her friends, so I guess I'm just gonna watch Netflix, eat my pizza, and have like a lovely night in, and that's it. Okay, so I'm gonna go to the shop and get some food, and then I can do a little food haul for you. Oh my god, I've been carrying so many things today, but I got this frappuccino. First, I went to this bakery. A freshly baked bread from the same place, Fabrik, one of my favorite bakeries. The nicest cinnamon buns. I bought some toilet paper, some like plastic wrap for food, and also plastic bags, milk, just a small bottle of extra virgin olive oil, baking powder, wheat flour, some normal Swedish butter, couldn't resist buying some lemon curd, brie cheese, I don't know if it's called sardines, my favorite chocolate, dark chocolate with sea salt, some sugar, I bought chlorine, this bag of potato chips, truffle salami, yeast, sea salt, mushrooms, lemon, green bell pepper, mozzarella cheese, and also this round mozzarella cheese, red onion. This is our little tiny bathroom. Okay, so let's get this done. Okay, so let's have a look at the stuff I got from IKEA. Okay, let's start with this beautiful cutting board. Look at this. I got this basic black frame, and I got a lamp. Isn't she lovely? If you're from Sweden or any other Nordic country, you know that it's very dark during fall and winter. So you do want to have a lot of cozy lights. So I mainly got all these lights for winter time. It looks like an old-fashioned oil lamp, which I think was a very cool design. Imagine in the middle of the winter lighting this little cute lamp. This little green plant. I got this bowl for baking, cookies, knives, this pillow case, and the pillow that goes into the case. I bought some kitchen utensils. I got these cute little cups. I think that they're really lovely. This one with small stripes, one with small dots. The prettiest cup, I think, with flowers. I got these 4 kitchen towels that are amazing to use for baking, dry your hands or whatever. Okay, so now I'm gonna decorate these shelves. I think I will just remove everything so that it's easier to start from scratch. And I'll start by putting this little plant in the corner. Okay, I like that. I definitely want to have these cute little cups here. I did like the idea of having some books here. Oh yes, I have the frame. Maybe I should print something and put it here.
La verdad tiempo me compré un Rolex. La plata no es felicidad, pero invierto en Forex. Me confundo quién amar, a quién mandarle flores. Yeah. Tener uno, tener más amores. Yeah. Tenemos hielo, yeah. Estamos ice, yeah. Un doctorado, los Tony Ice, yeah. Yo soy muy grande, que la que hay. Lo más que quiero es los saludos de mi madre. No le doy su ticket y no se repite. Dice que me la dan, al menos no quiten. Oh yeah, no los autorice. Oh yeah.
So now I'm gonna tidy up the table and prepare everything for our little pizza night.
De plata, yo de niveles, como el dicho, la verdad lo que más duele. Oh no, ¿cómo va? Baby, mucha envidia y no hace nada. Me dicen la loca por tener mis sueños, por negar que alguien vaya a ser mi dueño. Pero que me toca hacer dueña a lo mío. Déjenme sola si no quieren lío. Yo le doy su ticket y no se repite. Dicen que me la dan, al menos no quiten. Oh yeah. No los autorice. Oh, yeah.
Alright, so we have the yeast mixture. Oh my god. Well done. I accidentally poured it out. I don't know how much of it. Okay. That is a problem. So should I do more? Yeah. I'm gonna do more. I had one more yeast package, but I wonder where I left it. Here it is. I'm gonna put like half of this. Then I'm adding water. And I'm adding like 2.5 deciliters. Compensate. Actually, you're supposed to take the temperature of the water and supposed to be as warm as your own body, 37 degrees Celsius. But as I don't have a cooking thermometer and I don't want it to be too hot, I'm adding cold water, and it works the same. At least for pizza though. That's my opinion. The butter is still a bit warm, but I think it's not too warm. And now I can start adding the flour. And it's supposed to be, let's see, 12 or 13 deciliters. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do like this. Look how it's coming together. I'm gonna do the rest by hand. A little cutie pie, if you ask me. No, but seriously, I think it turned out really good. Like in 45 minutes. As you could see, the pizza dough was amazing. It really was. I was so happy with it. And now this happened. That's so fucked up. And it's because of this oven. I'm blaming the oven. I never used it before and it's not good at all. I guess I will get used to it. Pizza turned out okay, but yeah, okay, but that's life, isn't it?
Always make you smile. Always make you smile. Always make you smile. Always make you smile. Always make you smile.